NDC journalist Ohene Boamah Yaa Titi Dr. David Tenkran our Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association almost president no threat no. And I am so surprised Ghana no man I don't know what my use how can just a mere party journalist can just threat a whole doctor? How? Like how? It was the man chiri watch us here. That's actually why I'm a comment section. I have Penyah block media. Let's say any demo. Mobile like if you know that I'm about to subscribe to the number click notification and latest update. I'm about to watch the amame. Comment section. Let's watch over. No watch video more for so any be ashwe. And 10 years my dear AC our Ridge Hospital after say Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian a call according to him no just say when your motor accident amanensa or bleed one and sahan but acquire no that attention as needed 80 or say basa. NDC Health Minister account or
accident victim with a head injury was receiving emergency attention. Moments later, Ralph returned to the hospital with about 50 rowdy men who stormed the emergency ward, assaulting staff and disrupting services. Nurses were forced to change out of their uniforms to avoid being targeted, but one nurse, Rejoice Tuchu, was brutally attacked, suffering injuries to her head, chest, and arm. Hospital management says the assault lasted 2 hours before calm was restored. Health Minister Kobena Minta Akando condemned the act, describing it as unacceptable under any circumstances.
What is very important is that, irrespective of the level of provocation at any health facility in this country, it does not warrant any physical attack or assault on any health professionals.
Exchanging pleasantries with Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian.
Just as the minister and his team were coming out of a closed-door meeting with the hospital's management, Ralph St. Williams, aka fellow Ghanaians, drove in a black vehicle, exchanged pleasantries with the team, and drove back.
Later, there was a Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association almost president, Dr. David Tenkran, and also a call nurse now, Uprian, after Ralph Bear that assault, Uprian. And Dr. David Tenkran, and send a two.
I think this is an unfortunate thing, as we have reiterated. I mean, it's something that keeps coming up, and we will do everything possible in our capacity as a union to stop this. All right. So we've met management. They've told us the measures that they've laid bare to, if you like, mitigate whatever happened. But we are going to meet the nurses and midwives, and from there we will take such appropriate action. As we speak, we don't know whether there is any evidence of arrest. You understand? And if you heard the lady right, she said that the gentleman threatened that they will follow them up and take one life. Okay, I mean, that is clearly something that is unacceptable, and we cannot countenance that. And if we meet our nurses and they tell us that they are not safe to offer such essential service at the emergency area, then we will do the needful. Don't worry, when we meet them, and
which is when you are not safe at your workplace.
When you are not safe at your workplace, I mean, the law is very clear. I mean, if you read the Labour Act, Section 119, subsection 1 of the Labour Law, okay, it's very clear that if you, in your own opinion, if you think that there is imminent danger at your life, okay, or at your health, you have every right under the law to absolve yourself from danger or to remove yourself from danger. And after talking to the nurses and getting to know whatever has gone on, we will take such remedial actions to guarantee their safety.
And right after that, anyone who said statement be Ekwa Bontana HRM said Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association a petition out to abandon as my abandon up to 48 hours. Say or the betche Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian atum. Enya sa de ne o betintes koko e de akere aban no. E ma krata we e trende man people na e kire wadwen say yeah it is true. Yan kire because the ekoso ma we mu no how any pen be a treat health professionals e o ma we mu no. Enya fe.
If you cannot appreciate the Ghanaianness, please accord them with the needed respect. We're begging of you. Gaga gaga. The omumpe enua eniye. Abusia mamenye we quick emfa emam. She Ghana hana yetie no ho. kamia kwesi ya ye wo mu yi emra na wo Ghana no achibi but enchibi na mame nka kire wo a wo hwe me ene mu a mo dwene eti se nkofo we ya wo mu nti me ka sa asem we me nka kire mo say you people will be sorry but the time mo be sorry no na aye too late mo pese mo ka kire yen say abrante na ye friend Ralph no wo ye nipa esin obi a wo Ghana ha enye sa okay eti health minister any Ghana security service ne pese ye kire say Ralph no eye nipa ese and nurses for na Ralph no ene ne nkrofo mako 12 to 13 ekobu omo hospital ho no enye sa according to onu akase na numu asem akire say omunya accident bi crash bi ene omo di nipa na onya accident na ekoi but omo kodu ono no hunu say wono so wanya ne nsa ho atwitwa wo sade ndien and therefore was say obi attended to na watre for 10 minutes obi attended to no ntino e ma ne bu efuye ene o sha say okasa. So there is this nurse near oba no be catches oh mama mra me show etu oba ne sound catches we dey and said anya ibia etu bomadia na kope ghost bra na yemfa enye enfan dress enfa ma asem we Ralph so on tibida and ubenya whole NDC communicators defending that nasty behavior of Ralph. This same Ralph and now during 2024, during our protest be almost see quite shit us. Emma will be a ba anu yari ewu ye. Yakoka okate say e one dos wa Ghana. It is a be wu anayeden. This same Ralph and then not buying wa bem. It will not the opportunity at me fan crofwe dineti. Akwa assorti and nurses for e bi munsa e bi mu kon any ade. Ama yenya crofo social media we so. A defending. I'm a country. Emre yeninkaso. Emre yeninkaso. Emre ewo yeninkaso. Akwesiampo for Jene Kai. Was it time changes? Emre esisa. Say ka yami kwabna Richard am tie ya. Aka by now ya bet me da. Ade ya makobu aban nipa. But I say some mu nurse for. You don't respect nurses. You have no regard for nurses. And I'm going to cherish a Juma nurses for a Ghana hunting up. You people think so, and that is why you guys are defending Ralph and in that primitive act and in barbaric acts. No, I didn't nurse for him. The patron Miss Rebuso, I didn't nurse for the Ayamo. Ghana for moon country. A nurse for him, then. A nurse for born in the same. Wouldn't you be a nurse? Will you be a nurse? Or be a nurse? Can you understand them? At least. Appreciate one. If you cannot appreciate the Ghanaian nurse, just give them that respect. If you cannot appreciate the Ghanaian nurse, please accord them with the needed respect. We're begging of you. Why all this hatred? Nipana ko hospital akwa bunko for assorting for a pre-problem say. I'm sure head minister, I go hospital no kweye I will go and investigate the cases and then make sure say the delay in whatever and whatever. What are you talking about? And Kofuna kwa sorti a nurse for no. Adenamunti Ralph no. Is Ralph above the law? I'm asking, Ralph, is he above the law? Adena Ralph doesn't know. Edientia. Because Naba is in power, right? Anyway. Abusia, this is Ghana must know.
Abusia enyefe na emuno ana Ohene Boamah Beni abemubi. And for that message now, Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association edema abans aban up to 48 hours. So obe take action against Ralph. And yes, obe think that's what called the actual aban. Ohene Boamah Beni abe go hemwa. This same Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association omu ana incited that particular strike na a course in the country no. Nurses for cause strike Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association omu and president omu penning for and as a call for this particular strike. Enti Ohene Boamah so etrim say ene say enkofia say be kase omu aban up to 48 hours. And yes omu tin test call that chaban ene nya test call bia bi aside say omu call strike. The Ohene Boamah say send threat and warning to the president David Tenkran SS wo ye mistake. Next will be declare strike bia o Ghana ha no mu a ene obeche amanayam.
Ya won krofo bebrenem krom ha. Ya wo wo mo no mo nyam pate. Nurse ni bi busie ni bi na kwawo ne pane ye. Obewia kire no No many pana Daniel prepare Daniel party forever. Justice for party and sit down what you will. Obi Penyah fool kobo ye. Wa mo bia ya party ne kwa nyina. Yeti krom ha. Na wobi nyare. Na sinibi. Enwoma bi okwa ye kokwa ye no. Amani pana wu. Let me ask you. A doctor from Wokroma. But maybe someone else for Okroma. Any who de Okroma. Let me ask you this simple question, say. Sabi ni pawu awa mayare sabi abebrebe no. Sanka ye herbal medicine practitioners. And ni pawu o mayare sabi asa. And kabuba qualify for see and close down. Because ni pawu ye. Yes, I no correct. And ya wu na ukure ni pankwem. Owane di ebeba. Ebeba. Say ya yeti krom ha. Anase force wo nya taade enhye. No mu kosku omu kwa adwuma mbo naked. Eti yampam taade o taxpayers money mu emfa ma wo mu. Wo mu tietua. Yesi bia wo bi ya adwuma no mu classmate bi awuo. No mu be kwa yie. Funeral allowance abentua mo mu. Yeti krom ha. Ano mu sa de bebo mu say. Ebia adwuma ni mu na wo ye adwuma no na wo yare nurse ni yare a won ko hospital free of charge em ye nye ne cash eninti yen san formation na won ye hospital and na won ye pomdi free and so to insurance yen hwe fam kwa eno so te ho atua mo pese wiase mu services nyina ye de temo. But when it is your time to render the same service to the taxpayer, no one, Obian who wobo Ralph Abaso say, Sawabunes ni bia, yet. But hospital what CCTV footages, Aba. Amo bia din ni Yahubi. Yahudia koso. Ya na nurse ni no say yan tetire no wonyina mfa bandage no wonyina afiriti so kwase ne nase say Egyptian mommy asa say abrantie me so ne nsam ye nunu mu enu obu mu pon etu obu ne nsa we no bu wei etie no be kwa nurse ni nsa da dukum wetumi nya hwe adan ya yabo na bu ne nsam minister. Yeah, one yina faku emuasem. Minister would do patient to hope. No again the staff for him. And can the enemy say always customers are right. But when you go to hospital, always nurses are right. I am warning you for the last time, Tim crying. And I wouldn't. Now but you come have any class strike. I will come her, Tim crying. Listen to me, Timmy. Manyansa way enko utrim ada wonnim na obedina krom ha ebe declare strike ebe di pebewu no I swear God say tenkran da bia wo bia no ye be hwehwe wam wayifu no na there is this guy called Tenkran wanya nurse ni kura o wo kan phone pa batie Tenkran. So person we a politician. Brahma yensia. And some phone you know. I told you the last time say yeah get any muda da o. Yeah you know some phone galore. Yeah you go hano. Yeah you can some phone akwa prison ya ba no. Obi anim ye the whole world international obi anim ye. What can some phone abeka bi atro. One rabu problem in takando the honorable. But young prima fan enemy in from essence MP. I will never ever allow you say fan enemy from. How dare you? Who the hell do you think you are? What am crying? Na yanya will be a mananke kasa bin semhuna minister. Say ordinary thing crying. Ordinary thing crying. Thing crying ya win the house number. what can't minister say? What Casasa Kuyani? Tenkran, what do you Juma? I was so cocoa. Dr. Yanuso Maluk, no bill with Tinoso. What shall say? Womadula Blongata, no, everything ye intact, and I say, Bibia Totima, what do you? What? You need to say your beer with Tinoso, your person, what? You will say what you need intact. Because you see Casano. And Yami Woma. Say ya dear Drusu ya can't want some no. Funny face modiano. Bipolar. When you be Minister Casa. Usu Casa Sequiani. No Quiani Casa saying. Yet to Crumay, you for Casa. And your doctor for Casa. Apart from Montreal, phone with the two Cromano. And your Casa and Casa. So Casa, your doctor for handwriting. So conditioning in I what them have. The heat of coffee. So conditioning in a sobibia who are fine crasso. Papa craft for the semester. How dare you? How dare you? Hey, Mama Yen started. You are a leader of Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. AKA GRNMA. Moko for MPP ni mami perpetua ne we get some efe. MPP ya sanema because ne kunu ay MPP chairman e we English amanfu. And what you want the MPP agenda. And what we say, ye hu nati etitem kurai ana na dwunu nya adwuma ti push tem kurai nkwa ya adwuma. Kuyani kasa sen. Me mami ya kuyani me papa ya kuyani me na na kuyani. Babusuafo nyina ya kuyafo nkwa. Owura John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Ekuyani. Owura John Selassie Mikatia Ekuyani. Majuma Ura, where Ekuyani, Etukuyani Kasaseng. What do you mean? And now we are. So Kasase Kuyani. Minister Kasase Kuyani. Na some impredia so no problem in Takando, Utipano. Utipano. So we are doing your Bama Kodari, we are canning since you come from Yari. Tim crying. And now when you're Quenya Quakobo, PhD, your fraud doctor, Tim crying. It's what you say was your book. I drink Kunanyansa, content crying.
Wow, the wa Dr. Tim crying a Kasai. Chair dog, yen na ya chichiro my own. Obia wana famu dia wasa wa yansa no minor tumpon. Asamna that when it come to delay in health care na yeka no. Don't dispute that fact to say anyhow. It is there. Ayadena where the word Nobel syndrome back Roma say. There was a time so Janibi Yadene to ambulance mu call Kwalebu yasi no bed. Yadene call Ridge yasi no bed. Yadene call police hospital. No crano order ambulance mu Emma papa ni wuye. This is a story what Ghana ha yedi huabo boa yabre. When it comes to delay in healthcare delivery our Ghana and you're breaking news, don't make it sound as if obi di asamu tu obi so. And no na me pesi ye get your facts right. Obi anfa someone to nurse ni bia na say doctor ni bia so. Game per lecture na ne yiri ko arrange out of negligence and as a wrong medication. Acquire court case ni ade no. Ya asem what Ghana. You see some of the issues say what krom ha no. Ghana ye pa grow too much. Ye di agro too much. Ye di niama bi di agro. We play with people's lives as if it doesn't matter. And you refer to the Minister of State. Sada uyo kuyeniana. So it sounds to you say, ekuyafo ya no mo Ghana ha no mo ye nipa mewa. Sir Dr. Chum asama wuken Secretary General Sanwai Tim Crying to Ghana Registered Nurses Association. Asama wukenya will refer to the health minister say wonima dia onkopo bi mo onkyere na do yo kuani ana when we say what kasa bro so akodi di akuafo wa Ghana nyina atem wo sori a wodidi wo sori a say wodidi ansa no wakọ adwuma Oh, I didn't know one about Mummy for no credit to baby and no credit. I'm not disputing the fact to say Ralph. You are yet. We condemn it. Because I mean, put me nipa da emergency ward. And I de come na kwato no so abra enya unje de concern na. E ka me kwa me bubefu. I'm smart to say, yeah, condemn Ralph disruption or yeah, hospital now. And was a workers as what you say, Bibian papa, and you trade. Omuni pano di Kenya accident no more than a coin. I'm a coin no more here no. Ebi asa information also wunya ya me so yan kanchira wana. Abia destruction na kwa ya ni na no I shall see free. Nipa no kwa di Kenya accident from 5:30 p.m. was a sign now. What would you carry no choir no? Ralph mo choir no mo gusu chesi for the card. Enti asem na wa hospital do me call na ya hospital. Dia ye nyina ye kai e no kra. We are not disputing any facts. Mo kwa na mo am terms ye nyina ye challenge mo. And obi ba hospital I was here checking the vitals. I was here yes so kwaje card. I was here enter with details in the system. And no akra dey me nua ba afraid akra ba me different fella say. Omo yes anya money because be cry e be hwe obi awie no. Na bill cry tua ye den. Because uni nipa the details our system no mu so a emra be chu say the nipa the details ne ho. E ye den na wo hwe no. So we all have to meet halfway. But assembly that one who person will rubbish the main assembly that one now we concentrate say obi echo so distraction and we another side of the story so police for bemua they should make sure say emrani Ralph ne boys na yes ano emrani wo me anu anya masem but to go bare feet and insult the minister massa adebu ha mo susuma politics njimutirimo Anobo meta kan do ada ne wo here na ne wo ye because the wa wo kasa no the man na wo kasa ne abufuo ne temper na wo de kasa no it's like you have personal issue with the minister no boni a wa ye ne say or so the free the office e call rage say or correct situation ni say the city anya bia minister on the cause problem na but on him so or your minister of state or you accountable to the people. It is a BBS one sector and the responsibility say of sorry free office. He's a minister ba kwa mahuna onye armchair minister. Ube huno na hospital way, or just send ya be ya Ghana for be nya promoting. Bonu aya na so sorry free hospital. Eba rich, eba rest situation it say. If you have any issue that you want to discuss with the minister, I think you have to. Now also what ka problem at the no ka feeling no. Ade akọ so na enya ne ka kire no ne nyina ye hu samra ya adwuma. But don't go around and be talking rubbish and be insulting the man as if why you bone. On that small boys ne ba ha no on that car some delay process I dey be obi amen ko fa bufuo mra. Mo yesa no kure da ho pa so ye nka da.
Obi ta kire wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section nyina hwe de wa kosie. Ye hwe 48 hours no aso Ghana President nese munimo 48 hours no aso kura ya pa ho eje hwe de ebekwa akosi bo hene baba won sabake kana adwen se omo bomon try so be cost strike debi strike pa de bomon try ma omo try uspeda kire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section Penyah Media akra